Today I got this humidifier. It's look as if there's a fire coming out of it, and it comes really packaged with essential oil. So what I did was I filled up the water to the maximum level and dropped 2 to 3 drops of this rose essential oil, covered it up, plugged it in. It uses USB. One thing I love about this humidifier is that it works really great. Even in a big space, in a small space, you can change the color, you can start it, you can have the flames, smoke, it's not flames, smoke coming out. I also love that when the room is dark, you can also change the color, different types of color. There are different colors that comes out of it. I love how it looks in the dark, and I also love that it keeps the place humidified. And this is great for plants. If you have plants, just set them next to your plants, and this is also a great gift to anyone. I absolutely love it, and it really ups the decor of the house.